Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy summer capelet. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a slip knot, and this slip knot will count as one of the stitches. And now I'm going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert it through the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've double crocheted in each stitch across the row, and at the end of the row for this size you should have 56 double crochet with that turning chain counting as one of the double crochets. For the next row I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to turn, and that is going to take the place of 1 double crochet and 1 chain 1 space. So now I'm going to double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, double crochet in the next stitch. I'm going to repeat that across the row. Chain 1, double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, double crochet in the next stitch. And repeat all the way across the row. Chain 1, double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, I worked all the way around, and this is what it will look like. It's a form of a circle. And you should have 111 stitches all the way around. I ended the row with a double crochet in that last stitch, and I did not work into the turning chain. And so now every row will be exactly the same as this. It will be chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch, which is a chain 1 space, double crochet in the next stitch. So the beginning of the row and the end of the row are going to have 3 double crochets. Now I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to skip 6 stitches. Now this is a stitch. The chain 1 is a stitch, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll be working into this next chain 1 space, and I will make a double crochet in the next stitch, and a double crochet in the next. So I have 3 double crochet, I've chained 6, and I have skipped 6, 3 double crochet. So now I'm going to chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, I'm going to get ready for my double crochet, and I'm going to skip 6 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this time I will be double crocheting right into a double crochet, and then a double crochet in the chain 1 space, and a double crochet in the next double crochet. And I'm going to repeat that all the way across the row. Chain 6, skip 6, 3 double crochet. So all the way across the row. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked across that row. And the row started with 3 double crochet and it ended with 3 double crochet. So now you're just going to continue to repeat that same row until you have as many rows as you would like in your capelet. And I have 9 rows, and the finished capelet is approximately 11 inches long with this bobble edge. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to do the bobble edge. And I'll put a link below where you can learn how to make these very easy shawl pins. Of course, you could always add a ribbon around the neck as well. Okay, to do the bobble edge, I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 3rd stitch from the hook, I'm going to make a single crochet. And now I'm going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, Now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. I'm going to come right back down to that same space, and I'm going to slip stitch into that space, and that's going to form a nice little circle at the end of this chain. So now I have to do this chain again, so I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to skip 2 stitches, and I'm going to single crochet in the next stitch. And that's what that looks like. So now to make the next one, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. Make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch into that same space. So now I have 2 bobbles. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And now here, these are all stitches, so I'm going to skip 2 stitches, single crochet in the next stitch. And that's going to form this bobble edge. And you're going to work all the way across the bottom of your shawl. Like that, you'll work all the way around. This one hasn't been blocked yet, but when you block it, you can flatten all these little bobbles nice and flat. So there you go. That's how easy it is to make this summer capelet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.